Foam tube sponsons repairing. Tools needed: masking tape, air gun, white marker, rubber grinder, paper cutter, scale, pencil, Hypalon presser, noir sticker, ASIS glue, Hypalon 1670 DTEX Orca. Carefully inspect the punctured tube and begin preparations for repair. Measure the tear in the material and mark the damaged area. Cut the Hypalon Noir Repair black sheet to the specified size using a paper cutter. Using a paper cutter, trim the Hypalon 1670 DTEX material, adding 1 to 2 inches on all sides to the specified size. Mark the damage area using a pencil. Apply masking tape to cover the pencil marking areas not intended for grinding. Grind the tube within the taped area to ensure better bonding effectiveness. Grind the tube surface using a 36 grit Dremel bit to grind the tube surface. Use a towel with thinner or acetone to remove any remaining particles and clean the surface. Apply ASIS glue to the damaged area and allow it to dry for 40 to 60 minutes. Test by touching the glued area. It should feel gummy but not sticky. Drying times depend on temperature, humidity, and hardener use. Stick the noir sticker to the damaged area. Once the two surfaces are pressed together, apply pressure with the seam roller. Roll the glued area in multiple directions to eliminate air bubbles and create a strong bond. This step is crucial. Remove the masking tape from all around. Clean the surface by using a towel with thinner or acetone to remove any remaining particles. Use the cut Hypalon sheet to cover the noir sticker and repeat the masking and cleaning steps. Gently grind the area between the masking tape and the noir sticker to ensure a strong bond. Wipe the surface with a towel dampened in thinner or acetone to get rid of any residual particles. Buff the Hypalon 1670 DTEX from the backside, then repeat the cleaning and gluing steps. Apply ASIS glue on new Hypalon sheet and on damaged tube, and allow it to dry for 40 to 60 minutes. Touch the glued area. It should feel gummy but not stick to the gloves. Install the prepared Hypalon 1670 DTEX sheet onto the marked area carefully. Properly roll the Hypalon sheet to expel air bubbles and secure a strong bond. This step is key. Fully clean the surface to remove any trace of particles. Congratulations, you have completed the process.